So guys, we're right now at Florence Station. We're buying ticket towards Karlovy Vary. I have such a hard time to say it. So it is here.
It's sold out.
No.
Yeah.
It's sold out.
Yeah, we have to go at 1:30. Do you want to go at 1:30?
Yeah, we might be too late. What's up, YouTubers? Oh my god, that zoom lens. Alright, so second day in Prague. Today Jade organized a trip to the spa. And where's that, Jade?
We're going to Karlovy Vary, which is about 2 hours by train out of Prague. So now we're heading to the train station, and hopefully we'll have enough time because we did sleep in a little bit this morning, so hopefully we'll have enough time to enjoy some hot thermal spa here. But anyway, we're gonna look around town. It's supposed to be super pretty.
Guys really know Jade. She usually drink Coke, Diet Coke, and now today, Jade,
no,
you're cheating. You're cheating.
So we're gonna come back tonight.
Well, we are sold out from 3 o'clock until 8 o'clock.
Okay, this is a little bit of a stress. We will have the tickets to go there in 1 hour because the next one is full. But the return ticket, it's not available. But we have no return yet.
Worst case, we sleep there.
On the street.
We just bought it. Passports or IDs. We just arrived in Karlovy Vary. It's about 3 p.m. Our train back is at 7:15. We already bought a ticket, so we only have 4 hours to spend here. So we're gonna try to explore as much as possible.
This city, it's a spa town. If you guys don't know, there's 13 major hot springs in this town and 300 smaller that it's less well known.
Heaven. If you like bacon, look at those.
They're super thick bacon.
It's really, really good.
Yeah,
you can taste the grapefruit. It's a grapefruit cider.
And how much is that, Jade? All that?
That's 100 korunas and that's 40 korunas. Here you can get drunk for very little.
Yeah, like
it's very like the big
this
can
one in Canada would cost nearly $7 or
Yeah, that's not even $3. The little cup so you can drink the thermal water. I think it's very cute. They're bigger cups and stuff like that, but I think we only want to taste it because apparently it doesn't taste very good. And because it's cleaning your digestive system, you might, let's say, go to the bathroom. So we don't want to drink too much of it. We're just gonna sample it. So it shows over there that the water is at 30 degrees, but I don't feel it's at like 30. I think it's more like 25. And it's not supposed to taste good. So let's see. What's that taste? It's not great. It's like if you had a club soda and then all the bubbles went away and you just have the aftertaste of the club soda kind of thing. Your turn.
Oh, and we just found another water thermal.
This one is hotter. This one is 50 degrees.
50 degrees Celsius? Oh yeah?
This is 10 degrees hotter.
It's like what? 62 degrees.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Alright, I'm coming, baby.
We're gonna miss the train if you keep filming random stuff left and right.
There's so many beautiful stuff to film here. That's amazing.
But now we have to walk all the way back to the train station because the last train of the day is at 7:15 and we don't want to miss it. Otherwise, we'll have to sleep here and we can visit the castle and the old Prague tomorrow. So, priorities.
I wonder if all the beautiful buildings here were really, you know, built back in that days, or they are just recently built and, you know, with the old style of, you know, the bohemian style.
I feel like a lot of it is pretty recent and only a select few were authentic back in the days. But hey, but we haven't gone to the spa actually, just because what they offer is a swimming pool or a mineral bath where you're laying by yourself.
Yeah, we expect like a real hot spring, you know?
I was thinking like Costa Rica style or Moroccan style. So I don't regret actually not taking a spa today. Just because I don't even know like what's the difference. Why would I come here to take a spa? Like, or they just put a lot of spas here because people come here for that? Because it's not a spa with the thermal water from here. So that's very confusing to me. Or maybe we didn't go to the right one. If you guys have been to an authentic spa here that actually use the thermal water out of the ground, tell us, we'd like to know. And maybe next time we come to Prague, we'll go there.
Oh, you guys don't smell this, but I do smell it. And it smells very good. This one smells like butter, fresh butter with cinnamon. Oh,
That's
and
the best.
chocolate and vanilla. Oh. How is it, Jade?
It's really good. It's freshly made. Anyway, if you guys like today's vlog, please click on the like button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tomorrow we'll be exploring more of old Prague. So
Yeah.
we'll see you guys there.
We see a big castle tomorrow.
Yes.
Bye, guys.